Hey everyone, just going to do a quick market update since the Bitcoin crash in the last 24 hours. If you were subscribed to the channel, I released a video yesterday. Hopefully you caught it if you had notifications on and were subscribed. If you're not, better do that now because this was very fun to ride all the way down and cash out on. Of course, this was caused by Elon. I wasn't expecting it to dip that hard, but I did set some targets yesterday, which were, this was the first one here at around 50,669, and then the second one, which was here at around 47,000, and we just dipped below that, so that's a fairly good target, and we bounced off of it one more time here. So let's just go in and look at some intraday levels here. If you're trading Bitcoin today, I'll just share with you some targets here. So currently, I feel like this blue line on the intraday, which goes all the way back to the top here, sloping down, is I feel like this is very significant for the intraday. And we just had we had resistance off it here. We saw some bounces up in this area, and I feel like this bounce here in this area is very good. So we have now the strength to draw on this blue line that I just drew in now, and I feel like if we touch it one more time, we might just see a little bounce here, and then we're going to consolidate, and I feel like Bitcoin is very chop heavy right now, so this is the washout period. We could break above this yellow line, which is also going to be very, very significant. But if we don't, then I would suspect that we would probably drop down back into this area. Probably not all the way down to 47,000, maybe the 48,000 level. Of course, this is a very strong support at 47,000. If we fall below that, just this is where everyone's stop loss is right now. So keep that in mind, that there will be if we go below it, there will be a massive red candle that follows, and that would, in my opinion, be the death zone. But I don't think that we're going to encounter that situation. The situation that I think is more likely is that we eventually, at some point, we might break out of this yellow line, and then we'll come up to this resistance here at 50,000 level, 50,000. I have it here a little bit higher, but I really feel like it might be a little bit lower here, around 50.3, and that's just going to be like an area for our targets on the intraday. So keep that in mind. That's a potential pivot point, and if we break above this yellow line, just watch for that retest here, and if we retest it, I feel like we might be able to break above this significant 50,000, this whole area here, and this eventually will become support right here. So this is going to be our resistance currently, this whole blue area, and from there, with all of that said, just keep that in mind for your targets currently. And then we can also go and look at Elon tweeted yesterday. Of course, I'm sure all of you are aware, he wants Bitcoin to be more sustainable, and he pumped a lot of with all that said, I'm sure you're aware that it was Elon who caused this dump already. I'm sure you don't come to my channel for Bitcoin news, but we saw Nano exploding in price. Nano and other eco-friendly coins quote-unquote eco-friendly, like Cardano. Cardano as well is up at an all-time high, and this is just due to the eco-friendly nature of the transactions on Cardano. So I'm extremely bullish on Nano and Cardano this week, and also just for the end of May, the other thing that I'm looking at is it's also the DeFi tokens. So Ethereum, this is my idea. Ethereum just had an all-time high, which means that all of the DeFi tokens running on Ethereum, my prediction, you can hold me to this if I'm wrong, are that they're going to pump all of, for the rest of May at least. So in this area that I've circled here, this was a very significant area because we broke above of this yellow trend line and we came down, and this red area was a very strong support on the macro time frame. Here we had resistance back here, all the way back looking left, and then we bounced off of it one last time. While we were in the conjunction, we were above the yellow sloping line. So keep in mind there's a lot of DeFi tokens that you could trade. There's YFI, Aave, Alpha. And if you want to know the best strategy for picking the best DeFi projects to trade, I'll show you my secret. It's to go to CoinGecko.com, and here if you click the DeFi tab at CoinGecko.com and scroll down, you'll see all these projects here: Chainlink, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, Thorchain, The Graph, Sushi. You see all of these here, and what we want to do is to take each of them and plot them against ETH, because we want them to be outperforming Ethereum, right? We're hoping they're going to catch up. So the general idea is so we can go and look at Aave Ethereum chart, pull this up, and we'll see here that we were down through early May, like very down, and that's because Ethereum was pumping extremely hard. But here we have this turnaround point right here. We have this golden cross, and then we start really coming up. This wave starts coming into the green in a very big way here. So this explains the Aave pump with respect to Ethereum. So we can do that for any of the coin projects listed on CoinGecko.com. I really recommend doing this throughout the end of May. I'm calling it the DeFi cycle, and it's with respect to when Ethereum makes huge surges in price. I'm expecting that this will happen. This happened in January when we saw Ethereum reach its all-time highs back then, and I think we're going to start seeing it again. So keeping all of this in mind, we have all of the eco-friendly coins, and then we have the DeFi projects that are going to explode. And hold me to that if I'm wrong. Feel free to comment your thoughts down below. Comment whether you saw my last video. And again, a lot of YouTubers will put videos out after pumps, but they won't often catch the moves before they happen. So hopefully you find that and my specific style useful. I'm open to suggestions as well in the comments, you guys. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you around in the next video.